Morning, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Big snowstorm coming. We're piling up the garbage in the truck. We got to take that in once they open up. We don't get pickup service out here, so we have to haul it in. I had to go to township and buy a punch card. You have to buy a prepaid punch card if you want to save a lot. And then we have to haul that in this afternoon. Over here, I'm getting ready. We're going to have, some are saying 8-10 inches, some are saying 1.5 feet, 2 feet, who knows. We're supposed to get snow tomorrow all day, so we're going to get snowed in. So I picked up some free pallets the other day, fortunately, and I'm stickering my fence slabs. These little pilot was here. It was in the way anyway. I'm using the cutoffs from when I made the slabs, and it all turns out convenient. I figure I might as well grab the camera, and this is something a little bit different today. I'm not loading and unloading wood from the truck. A little different. Oh, by the way, I finished hauling there was only 5 pieces. One we cut up because it was junk, but I finished hauling those trees. That was another behemoth, really nice sized tree that we got. I cut them in 12 footers. That one's a little bit longer, but there was no point in cutting that on site. My winch blew up yesterday hauling this one out of the ground. Hi, Michelle. How you doing? She's got her baby. My winch actually shorted out internally. Sad, because that was a very, very, very useful tool. And on the first log I was trying to lift yesterday afternoon, it just blew up and shorted internally. When I connect wires, it just sparks, it welds itself. What happened is, I didn't see there was a branch stuck in the ground, resisting, actually facing forward, resisting me from pulling. And I didn't even, really, I connected the power for a couple seconds and boom, you could hear a loud snap inside, and that was it. Wasn't even that much resistance, but it was an older winch. Who knows how old it was before I got it. So we manually did this, Chris and I, using the crank of the crane, cranked it, manually rolled the winch wires tight, unrolled it as needed. Manually, I rolled it by hand, and we hand cranked it with the crane's jack, and we got it. That was these two. Anyway, I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to finish stickering these. Some are froze to the ground and really heavy. You can tell it's been cold out. It's hard to neatly stick rounded edge boards, but you know, I'll get the job done. And there will be air flowing between them. And that's what's important. Okay, that's cold. Well, wood makes a little bit of an insulator anyway. Michelle? Yeah, it'll work. They're going to do the job. And then these guys here are perfect for in between. The idea is just so air flows between them and they don't get all frozen to the ground or moldy or whatever. And it's not straight clean lumber, so it doesn't have to be perfect, I think. It's going to be a fence. And they're definitely not straight in the first place. Running out of thicker ones. and I'll get these out of here. It's good kindling for the wood stove. Gonna need that this winter. Anyway, I'll have more. I gotta break up the kindling, get it over the wood stove, because the snow is gonna fall, and it's gonna be a lot, and it's gonna stay a while. It's gonna stay cold for a while, and so we've got to get everything ready that we can. We've been hauling firewood all this time, as much as we can get for free before the snow falls and we can't move around as much anymore. And then all winter long we can process the logs and the firewood and run the mill and make lumber. But the idea was haul as much as we can, as fast as we can get in here before we're locked in for the winter. And we have been working hard. And Melanie's been picking away at it, taking the dry stuff for home heating. And that's helping us a lot. It's cozy warm in both houses right now. Really nice. Pretty much want all this cleaned up so that if I need to plow around here or clear up the snow, I'll know where I can drive. And this is serving us better by the wood stove right now than over here in the middle of the yard. And it's gonna look better. There's a thick one. That'd be a good piece of kindling. Michelle's helping her mom, putting in wood. Everybody's busy. We're like chipmunks getting ready for the snow. Michelle think that's funny. That's a good sticker.
Oh, that's wet.
That's a good sticker. Yeah, when the day comes, and when the winter really comes on, like it's gonna, we gotta get ready. We've had a very blessed time here, being able to haul all the wood all this long and prepare everything, prepare the homestead, and we had an extended time this year, and I'm happy for it. We used it. The truck is two-wheel drive, so when the snow is on the ground, that's pretty much going to be it. I got a visitor coming. I got to shut down the camera. See what comes next. Getting ready for winter. Hey guys, well, I got the wood cleared up over there, and then we took out the garbage. We have to run that to the dump site. And then we had lunch, and then we went to town and got some provisions, because although everything's green, sort of green right now, tomorrow it's going to be white. And it looks like it's going to stay white to the end of the year. So I'm scrambling to try to get our pipes insulated. I found out that our mobile home was never intended to be used in the winter. And the pipes froze a couple days ago. And then I went and looked, and, well, they're not insulated. So I'm working on that off camera for our own safety and security. I'm sure you guys understand that. But it is dark. The camera doesn't probably show it. It amplifies the light. It is dark. It's really dark. It's only 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. But pretty much that's all I'm doing. Just trying to get things ready. I think I heard a turkey. But I don't know. Just trying to batten it down. Snowstorm is coming. And I want to be able to run this area here and work over here when the snow is falling. So we're cleaning up the yard, getting everything out of the area, and clearing the path to the mill and getting ready. Good morning, guys. This is the next day, and as you can see, we got quite a bit of snow out in the yard. It looks like 6 or 8 inches. It's white on white. It's hard to show you anything out there. So we're stuck. We have a 2-wheel drive truck. We're snowed in. No stress. We got our provisions yesterday, and we're ready to be stuck here for a while. That is what it is. So this is the end of this video, and this is the end of our activities for today. It's going to keep on snowing. They're saying as much as up to a foot of snow, so we'll see. Oh, and by the way, it's windy. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll get this video up to you right away. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Day like today, you got to be self-sufficient. Hit that bell icon, get notifications. Talk to you later.